We want to collect 20 integers, randomly chosen, repetitions allowed. What is the least possible value of the product? Well, we know we want it to be negative, and you know the more negative a number, the smaller it is. So I want it to be negative. So there's a negative 10. And then if I choose 10 to the 19th, I've got 20 integers now. But when I look, none of mine are written like that. None of the answers are in that form. So this is negative 1 times 10 to the 19th. And that's negative 1 times 10 to the 20th. You know, when you multiply like bases, you add your exponents. So it's negative 10 to the 20th. And you could write that as the 20 on the outside. And that's answer E.